Last video we have studied about blank tables. Now today we will go for statistical table. I'll write one example with explanation. Then we will start with the solution of this. Okay. Now it is given that here I will write in a sample survey about the coffee habits in town A. The following data is obtained. Okay. And that first information is given as male in the population. 52%. Second information is total coffee drinkers. 26%. And third information is male coffee drinkers. 18%. Okay. The question is, I'll write question also. Tabulate the above data in a statistical table. When you prepare a statistical table, blank table is also important, because blank table is nothing but structure of your statistical table. Okay. Now by using this information you have to prepare a blank table. Check the information whether it is a large information or a small information. Hardly 3 informations are there in one table, you can fit all the information. Okay. So how to start with statistical table? Again I will write here. We'll start with this table number. I'll write here as table number 1. Next, as you know, in blank table we have to write the title. Here also we have to write the title, whether we are preparing a blank table or a statistical table. Now as per this question, what we have to prepare? Tabulate the above data in a statistical table. So I'll write here statistical table as per given information. This much is it. Okay. Now I will prepare the structure of the table first. Keep 2 lines spacing over here. Okay, this is the structure. Now we have to check the information. Now in this information, the important thing is, in a sample survey about the coffee habits, means this is the classification and tabulation of what? Characteristics of coffee drinkers or coffee habits of the people. In which town? Town A. The following data is obtained. Now in this data, they have given male in the population, means male in town A. They have given total coffee drinkers of town A. They have given male coffee drinkers of town A. Values are given to you. Okay. So how to prepare the table? This is important. Okay, as all of you know, always last one is grand total. So I'll write here as grand total. Okay. In this remaining space, I will make 2 parts. Here it is town name. Because the information is related to town name, so I will write town name. They are given the information related to male. So in first column here I will write male. There are some male, means there must be some female. Okay. And this information is related to coffee drinkers. That I will take over here. So here I will write coffee drinkers. Another one is non-coffee drinkers. Non-coffee drinkers. Again, last column is grand total. Here I write grand total. Okay. This is the structure of the table. It is nothing but your blank table. This is nothing but your blank table. See, body of the table is totally blank. So it is called as blank table. Now in this blank table, if you substitute the values, it becomes statistical table. Now how to substitute the values as per the given information we have to do? There is one hint given to you. Now check this information. Male in the population 52%, total coffee drinkers 26%, male coffee drinkers 18%. All the values are given in terms of percentage, right? All the values are given in terms of percentage. This means your grand total of both the side must be 100. Grand total of both the side must be 100 because the values are given in percentage. You cannot take 101, 102 because the values are in percentage. Your grand total must be 100. Right, guys? Now let's start one by one. Male in the population. How much percent? 52%. Check out where is male. Male in the population. So male grand total column 50, 52%. Means out of 100 persons, 52 are male. Out of 100 persons, 52 are male. Means remaining 48 are female. That is 100 minus 52, 48. Just you have to balance the columns like this. We will go next one. Total coffee drinkers 26%. Here they are not given male coffee drinkers or female coffee drinkers. It is total coffee drinkers, which means including male coffee drinkers and female coffee drinkers. So where to write this total coffee drinkers? Coffee drinkers grand total column. Coffee drinkers grand total column 26. This means out of 100 persons, 26 are coffee drinkers including male and female. So if you balance this, that is 100 minus 26, 74 are non-coffee drinkers. 74 are non-coffee drinkers. First information is over, second information is over. Come to third one. Male coffee drinkers. Here clearly it is given. Male coffee drinkers. So where to write this male coffee drinkers? Male coffee drinkers column. Male and coffee drinkers column 18%. This means out of 52 male, how many are coffee drinkers? 18 are coffee drinkers. So remaining are non-coffee drinkers. The balance you have to write in non-coffee drinkers column. So 52 minus 18, 34 are non-coffee drinkers. All the three informations are over, but still two columns are remaining. Just balance it. 26 minus 18 means out of 26 coffee drinkers, 18 are male. Remaining 8 are female. Again balance this also. Out of 48 female, 8 are coffee drinkers. Out of 48 female, 8 are coffee drinkers. So remaining 40 are non-coffee drinkers. Once check the total. 18 plus 8, 26. 34 plus 40, 74. 18 plus 34, 52. 8 plus 40, 48. 52 plus 48. Total is. This is called as your statistical table. But don't forget to write here notes and definitions. Nothing is given, keep it blank. Another one is source of data. source of collecting data. Again, it is not given, keep it blank. This is your statistical table for this information. I'll explain once again. First of all, you have to read the problem very carefully. Check out this information or classification or tabulation is done on what basis. Here the base is coffee habits. Coffee habit means there may be some persons who likes to drink the coffee. There may be some people who do not like to drink the coffee. So I have taken here coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers. Then this information is related to town A, and given information they have given the information related to male only, right? So out of total male 52, how many are coffee drinkers? That it is given. So here 52 are male, remaining are female. Like this you have to balance the column. That's it. This is as simple as that. But only thing is preparation of this structure, that is blank table, is important. Once you prepare the blank table, you can easily substitute the value. Clear? I'll write one more problem. We'll write one more problem and we'll try to solve this. I'll write one more problem and we'll solve this. Right. Present the following data in a statistical table. And that first information is 81% of the students of a class are regular. Full stop. Among these regular students among these regular students 67% passed in an examination. Full stop. 10% of irregular students failed in the examination. Okay, this much information is given, means only one information is there, because in previous problem they are given point wise information, here they are given in a paragraph form. How to solve this? We have to prepare a structure of the table first. Again we will start with the table number. Here I write table number 1. Okay. Again we have to prepare what? We have to present the following data in a statistical table. So I will write here. Here I write statistical table as per given information. As per given information. Now in previous problem the data were related to coffee habits, that is coffee drinkers, non-coffee drinkers. That we have to find out here, what we have to write here. Now this, read the information very clear. 81% of the students of a class are regular. Full stop. Among these regular students, 67 passed in an examination. Full stop. 10% of irregular students failed in the examination. So this information is related to examination conducted by the college. And this information again related to regular students and irregular students. So by using this information, you have to prepare the structure of the table. Okay. 2 lines spacing duty. Draw this image. Okay. Here I will write one more. As you know, last column is always a grand total. Prepare this. Here you write grand total. Grand. Now what to write in this area and what to write in this space? This is important. Now this information is related to result of the students, right? Result of an examination who have attended. So I will write here as results. Results. In results, I will make 2 parts because results may be pass or fail. Here they have not given how many are first class, how many are second class, how many are first class. They have not given the information. So we can treat only 2 aspects here, that is pass and fail. That's it. And here I will write regular students. No need to go for subtotal column. Irregular students. Irregular students. And last one is again grand total. These are the simple examples I have taken. Now this is the blank table. Now this becomes the blank table because body of the table is totally blank. Now in this body of the table, if you substitute the values according to the given information, it is treated as statistical table. Now how to substitute the values? How to substitute the values? Again see, in this information the values are given in terms of percentage, right? Values are given in terms of percentage. Means the grand total of both the sides must be 100. Percentage is maximum is nothing but 100. Percentage is nothing but 100. So write grand total is 100. Now we will go as per the information. What it is given? 81% of the students of a class are regular. Means 81% are regular students. Where to write this? Where to write 81? Regular students total column. Correct? 81. Means out of 100 students, 81 are regular. Remaining 19 are irregular. Remaining 19 are irregular. Come to next information. Among these regular students, 67 passed in an examination. Means out of 81 regular students, how many are passed in an examination? 67. Where to write this? Pass, regular. Pass, regular, 67. Means out of 81 students, those who are regular, 67 are passed in the examination, remaining are failed. So 81 minus 67, 14 are failed. 14 are, okay. Second information is more. What is the next one? 10% of irregular students failed in the examination. Means out of irregular students, how many are failed? 10% only. So where to write this? Fail irregular. Fail irregular, how much? 10. They are not given total irregular students, but they have given out 10% of irregular students are failed in the examination. So where to write fail irregular student 10. Information is finished, balance it now. Now see, out of 19 irregular students, 10 are failed, means remaining 9 are passed. Correct? 19 minus 10, remaining 9 are passed. Now we have to check out the grand total. Grand total is nothing but we have to add the value. Pass. Information is not there how many are passed out of 100. But as per this, 67 plus 9, 76 are passed. Means out of 100 students, total passed students are 76. Means remaining 24 are failed in the examination. All the information is over. Just check out the total. 67 plus 14, 81. 9 plus 10, 19. 67 plus 9, 76. 14 plus 10, 24. 81 plus 19. At the end, again mention notes and definitions. Here you write source of data. Again the information is not given, but you mention source of data. This is called as statistical table for this information. You have to read the problem very carefully. They may twist the problem like anything. You have to read the problem very carefully. How to prepare a blank table, that is the most important. Once you prepare a blank table, you can easily substitute the values. And you can move forward. Okay. So these two problems you make it perfect. I'll finish this video here only. Tomorrow I'll post the new video with two different terms. In one table we have to